Hello. Are you looking to sell your property? Proud Start Real Estate Solutions is here to help. We specialize in buying properties throughout the Bay Area fast for cash, allowing you to avoid the pain and burden caused by your house. Did you just inherit a property? Are you behind on your mortgage or taxes? Are you simply tired of being a landlord? There are hundreds of reasons why you would need to sell your Bay Area house, and no matter what yours is, Proud Start LLC is on your side and will help you through this trying time. We buy all of our houses in as-is condition, meaning we will not ask you to do any repairs prior to selling. Leaky roof, outdated plumbing, bad foundation, we can handle it all. Regardless of how much work is needed to make your house shine again, we are up to the task. In order to relieve your stress, our process is very simple. Unlike listing with a realtor, we won't charge you a huge commission or other fees, and you don't have to worry about our loan falling through because we pay cash. Here at Proud Start, we believe in giving back to the community. That's why we make a donation to a local charity for every house we purchase. By selling us your property, you are partnering to improve the community we live in. All you need to do to get started is give us a call at 925-322-1008 or visit our website, psbuyshouses.com. We will talk with you about your situation and find out what you need in order to move on. Contact us today. We're here to help you create a fresh start to be proud of.